Are you ready for the baby?
Yeah.
So we're excited to open the Uppababy Vista. We're ready for the baby. The baby is arriving really soon. I'm 32 weeks pregnant and I'm going to just show you the unboxing of the Uppababy Vista. Let's go ahead and do it right now. Okay. Kasi nag-isip ako, I was really thinking about kung ano yung pinakamagandang stroller. I was thinking about Graco or Graco or ano ba to? Chico or Britax. Pero kasi yung price na nakuha namin dito, yung what we paid for this is the same amount as if we got the Chico, the Graco, or the Vista. I mean, or the Britax. So, this has the bassinet. And, I mean, this could be a potential double stroller. So, this could carry the baby. If I buy the skateboard at the back of the stroller, Gavin, he could get on the stroller while we are strolling around. So, also, yung pang long term na situation, kasi kung ibibenta ko to after magamit ni baby, I can still sell it for a reasonable price. So, yun. What we paid for, again, just to clarify, it's the same price as what we paid for, but I have $200 gift card that I could use from Amazon. So, parang ganoon na rin yung price niya. Yan na siya. Then, kailangan pala ipa-register yan sa kanilang online with the model number and all para sa warranty. So, this is the Uppababy manual. That's the... Anong tawag dyan?
I don't know.
I think it's the bag.
It's the bag.
It's the bag.
Yeah, it's totally the
Okay,
bag.
the bassinet and the rumble. Okay, the rumble seat is what I was referring to. That you could add. It could carry up to 50 pounds baby size. The weight of the baby.
What if the baby was 50 pounds?
I mean, I was thinking of putting you there, but you're over 50 pounds. Are you over 50 pounds?
What if the baby was 50 pounds?
Huh? It's not possible. The what?
I'm not sure.
This is the ano. The leather. What do you call it?
I don't know.
The buckle.
Yeah, I think so.
I like the one that is color brown, but this is the model that I chose. So this is leather. The handlebar for the baby. Oh, hold it, baby. Oh.
So, alright.
Big wheels.
Oh my.
So you open it. And it includes the bassinet. So we're planning to put the baby in the bassinet for a few months inside our room para dun siya matulog. Kesa bumili ng crib kasi we still have no definition as of yet kung hanggang kailan kami dito sa Amerika. Baka
Mommy, look.
ayun ang isa sa mga reason kung ba't namin binili ito.
This is how it works.
Is, you know, yung comfort ng pagdala at paglagay sa kotse, pag-travel, kung uwi na kami ng Pilipinas, madali siyang i-carry sa airport. So, yan yung kanyang pinaka-stroller. That is a big stroller. I like it. Then the bassinet is... Yay! The baby is soon to arrive! Wow!
Bongo, by the way.
No, you don't want to be by yourself. Got who you want around. I know I'm not that nigga that you're just playing for now. You used to be my Juliet, and I was Romeo. Where was you when the strangers at the table, wishing it was you. Let me tell you that. Oh, baby, give me one more chance to get my shit together. That man next to you, playing with your heart.
I only live to be in pink diamond surface. So the day the two of us now to this planet surface. Trail away. So that's what the box looks like. Yeah, it's supposed to go there.
Is it
It's
Is
big.
it easier to move, Kuya?
Yeah, it's really easy.
It's easy.
Daddy,
So
watch
you can
this.
now, you're the one gonna be pushing the baby, okay?
Daddy, look.
Hmm.
And I'm gonna be the one who's going to play with the baby.
Okay.
Channel,
Mm-hmm.
hey, it's Chin a banana.
So yeah. So this is the stroller part, and then you can change it to the bassinet one. This one.
And then you have to put the bassinet one.
Yeah. And then you can put
The bassinet one.
the bassinet for the baby.
So,
Remove
so,
this.
so the baby can sleep in there, and
Yeah.
the baby can sit in the car seat.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where the baby can
There
sleep.
you go. So that's the
Cause
bassinet.
look at the blanket. That's where it can
There
sleep.
the baby can go.
Cause look at the blanket. That's where the baby can sleep,
Mhm.
right? Right.
There you can put the baby. There you go. So just press this if you want to remove it. That's how easy it is. Then also you can reverse it.
You can put it like that also,
Mhm.
so you can see the
You
baby.
can see the baby, correct?
So if you're the mom or the dad
Yeah.
or the brother, you can see the baby.
So this is how it looks like. You can see the baby from here. You can also, I think,
You can put
extend this
stuff
one.
in here. It's long.
Yeah. Short below. And then removing it. Just press this, release.
And then you can put another one that's new.
And if you want to fold it,
You can do that.
that's how you fold it. Okay. Open it again. That's it. Put the
What if the baby can sit on this?
Then put it in the front. You want the baby to see the front side. And then like that.
Yeah. So this is the shade thing, and in case you want to see the baby, you can open this too.
And there's magnets.
You can
To remove, just press
You
both
can
of
just
this.
attach
remove.
it.
You can also reverse
If the
it
baby
again.
wants to just stay. You can also,
There you
It's
go.
the same
You
thing-
can see the baby.
it's the same thing as this one.
Alright. Ayun ang Uppababy Vista. Ay, Mesa na car seat.
Ito yung car seat, ma'am. So, bagong model din po ito, ma'am.
Wow.
Ito siya.
Unboxing.
Ma'am, para makita nyo. Magustuhan nyo po sana, ma'am. Maganda po ito. Napaka-safe sa bata.
Ang worry ko dyan is baka mabigat. Mabigat ba?
Tama lang naman po. So, yan po siya, ma'am.
Uppababy. Ang shala-shala.
Ito po
May
yung
base. May
handle
base na
niya.
ba siya? May base na siya?
May base na po siya. Ayan.
O, so, paano mo itatanggal sa base? Ipipush mo lang ata ito tapos yan.
Ayan po.
Kasi i-install pa yan sa
Yan
sasakyan.
po, ito. Push yan po ito.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung base niya.
O, iangat mo yung handle para pwede mong iangat to.
Ito po, ma'am. Push niyo po, ma'am. Yan. Yan, pareho. Yan. Po.
So, magaan?
Magaan naman
Patingin
po,
nga.
ma'am. Try nyo po. Hawakan ko po yung camera ni ma'am para makita kayo ng mister nyo.
Ang gaan-gaan naman. Very good. Napaka-sleek ng features, no? Sleek lang. Hindi siya masyadong bulky. I like it because hindi siya ganun kahirap dalhin. Tapos, pag nilagay mo siya dito, so, one click. Ano ba?
Click. Yan po.
click,
Tapos,
yan.
angat lang po.
Bigat, ah. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer dito. So, from car seat to this one. So, hi, baby! And Uppababy Mesa and Uppababy Vista.
Nakalak po yata, ma'am, yung gulong.
Yan, yun o, yan o.
Ayan po, yan.
Diba? Shala-shala. Tapos, pag ipapasok mo na sa kotse, i-press mo lang tong button. Angat. Lipat si baby sa kotse.
Ma'am, paano nyo po nalaman? Kasi product po namin yan.
Ay, hindi. Nakita ko lang sa YouTube.
Ay, nakita nyo, nanonood po
Siyempre,
na
bago
kami.
ako magtanong sa sales agent, i-inquire muna ako sa online. So, para maging double stroller siya, bibili ka ng isa pang adapter dito. Tapos bibili ka ng rumble seat. Nakamukha rin itong isa. Pero yung rumble seat para sa mas maliit na bata. Ito para sa mas mabigat ko. Alam ko it could... Hanggang ilan lang ano nito? Capacity. Kung alam mo.
50 pounds po yata.
Well, very good. So, 50 pounds. So, dalawang baby hanggang 3. Tapos meron pa silang scooter na pwede mo ilagay dito.
Pero alam ko, ma'am, sa product
Diba?
po talaga namin, nilalagay lang po namin 50 pounds. Kaya po yan ng 90 pounds, ma'am.
Talaga? Hanggang
Opo.
90 pounds? Ang social naman. Oo, di ba? Oo. Pwede pa nga si Javi yata dito eh. Javi, you wanna try? You wanna try?
Ano ka ba?
Paano ba ito tatanggalin?
Ito po. Naka-clip lang siya. Ito yata.
Yan. Gavin, you wanna sit down? Sit down here? Sit down.
Wait.
Oh, are you a baby damulag?
Wow, you can fit in here. Oh.
You're a baby damulag.
Okay. Oh, meron pa siyang screen, sunscreen protection. Sunscreen. Tapos meron siyang di ba? Bug net. Bug net. Ito ba yung bug net? Tapos
Opo.
may rain shield pa siya. Di ba? Kompleto na, Beth. Ito yung rain cover. Ha! Okay na to. Ito na talaga yung sobrang pinag-isipan ko talaga pagbili nito kasi kaya ko nasabing mura ko siya nakuha kasi meron akong gift card na nakuha kami ni Erwin ng asawa ko sa Japan. Taga-Japan ang asawa ko eh.
Mommy, open this.
Kaya bibiling ko na siya, kuya. Nakapag-decide na ako.
Nabibili niyo na po, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Yan na po yung bago naming stocks.
Sige. Okay. Salamat. Bye-bye.